Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. It's a way to earn money while you sleep as opposed to a traditional way of earning money by trading your time for money. Here are some ways you can make passive income. Rental income: if you have a property or a spare room, you can rent it out for passive income. Dividend income: investing in stocks that pay dividends is a passive way to earn passive income. Peer-to-peer lending: you can lend money to individuals or businesses through peer-to-peer lending platforms. Invest in real estate crowdfunding: real estate crowdfunding is a way that invests in real estate projects without owning any property. You can earn a return on your investment when the property is sold or when it generates the rental income. It's important to know that earning passive income often requires an upfront investment of time or money. Some passive income streams may also require ongoing maintenance and monitoring.